Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As Parents Day is round the corner, I am making another Parents Day card. For this I have taken a blue color paper which I have folded into half. Then using a pencil I am drawing a curve as shown. Now cut along the outline. Now I have taken a pink color paper. Apply glue and stick it inside as shown. Then take red color paper, fold the paper as shown. And now cut it. I am going to make small hearts using this. Now fold the paper as shown. And draw an outline. Cut along the outline. Our paper hearts are now ready. We can now glue them to the card as shown. Now I am using a black pen here to make a design. And then we can write Happy Parents Day here. Then I am going to write, thank you for being my first teachers and lifelong friends. And then we can cut out a heart and we can glue this inside. Here I am going to write Dear Mom and Dad. I am making small hearts all around. Finally, we are going to highlight this using yellow color sketch pen. And I am also going to draw an outline along the heart inside. Finally, our Parents Day card is ready. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.